Hello my dear students, welcome back to your English period. So students, now I'm going to finish the chapter that we have started in our previous video, which is engine trouble. I had explained you till this paragraph. I am on page number 52. So students, what happened? The writer was caught by the police because of the chaos that had been taken place on the road. So when he was released from the lockup, what he found? He found the following consequences, means problems were waiting for him. What were they? Several yards of compound wall to be built by me, means he had to build the wall of the compound that was broken by an elephant, and due to the road engine also it was broken. Wages of 50 men who ran away. Joseph's fee for steering the engine into the wall. Cost of medicine for treating the knee of the temple elephant. So he had to pay the cost of the elephant because his knee got injured because he pushed the wall into the powder. So what happened? And last but not the least, the demand to move the engine out of its present station, and the same thing because of which he got into the trouble, that to push the engine from its present station. So when I went home, my wife asked, "What is this I hear about you everywhere?" I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. She took it as a hint that I was again asking for her jewels, and she cried that she would write to her father to come and take her away. So when he went to his wife and he asked, or he discussed about his problems with her, so she said that now I'm not going to give you any of my jewelry. Instead, I would go to my father's house, and I will not come back. So his last hope was also lost. So what happened? Later came unexpected relief in the shape of Swamiji, who was all ready to set my steamroller be driven over him. तो बेटा एक वहाँ पर स्वामी जी आए और उन्होंने तैयार कर लिया, वो रेडी थे किस चीज़ के लिए? स्ट्रीम रोलर उनके ऊपर से गुजरे। एक तरह की परफॉर्मेंस होती है जो लोग करते हैं। It was driven out of the compound opposite the Gymkhana ground, and the Swamiji was ready with pillows on his chest when the policeman arrived with a magistrate's order forbidding him from running the roller over his chest. Then what happened? While he was doing the performance and he kept the pillows on his chest, the police came at that point, and he stopped him or forbid him not to do all these things on the road. This was not allowed. So his only hope was again lost. So I made preparation to leave the town in a couple of days, leaving the engine to its fate with all its commitments. So what was the last choice for him? That to leave the town as soon as possible, because he was unable to pay the debts which are there on him. When the nature came to my rescue. You may have heard of an earthquake that destroyed the whole town in North India. That there was reverberation of it in our town too. We were thrown out of our beds that night, and doors and windows rattled. So beta, once there was a there was an earthquake took place in northern region of India. So it was the density of the earthquake, the intensity was too much high. So the reverberation was felt in the town of the writer also, and most of the people thrown out of their beds, and the doors and windows were rattling also at that time. Means the intensity was very high of that earthquake. The next morning, I went to take a last look at my engine before leaving town. So next happened after the earthquake took place. So he started thinking, now I think it is a good time to leave this town. And what happened? He thought that I think I should watch my road engine at least last time. एक आखिरी बार मैं उसको देख लूँ, उसके बाद मैं यहाँ से चला जाऊँगा. So I could hardly believe my eyes. The engine was not there. I looked about and raised a hue and cry. Search parties went round. The engine was found in a disused well with its back up. तो इंजन जो था वहाँ पर था ही नहीं, बल्कि जब उसने आगे जाकर देखा तो वेयर इट वॉज इन अ डिसयूज्ड वेल विद इट्स बैकअप. वो उल्टा एक पुराने कुएं में पड़ा हुआ था. आई प्रेड टू हेवन टू सेव मी फ्रॉम फ्रेश कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, बट द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस, when he came round and saw what happened, laughed heartily and beamed at me. So उसने सोचा कि now the fresh complications are waiting for me, but the owner of the house, and he started laughing at him. You have done me a service. It was the dirtiest water on the earth in that well, and the municipality was sending me a notice to close it week after week. I was dreading the cost of closing it, but your engine fits it like a cork. Just leave it there. So he was saying, now you have done a great work to me, because the water of that well was so dirty, and the municipality was continuously sending in the notice to close it. But to close a well is not an easy task. It took a big amount to invest on it. So that man said कि now you have done a great service to me, and please, the engine has fit over there like a cork, so just let it be over there only. But there are no buts. I will withdraw all complaints and charges against you and build that broken wall myself, but only leave that thing there. So उसने कहा कि जो भी कंप्लेन तुम्हारे ऊपर है, I am going to take all of them back, and I will give you money also to pay the debts of other, but please let it be over there only. That's hardly enough. I mentioned a few other expenses and that this engine had brought on me. He agreed to pay for all that, and he was ready to pay all the expenses, as I told you, which the writer had to pay. So he was ready to pay all the expenses. Then he was in a great relief. He thought that now finally my troubles came to an end. When I passed that way again some months later, I peeped over the wall. I found the mouth of the wall neatly cemented up. I heaved a sigh of great relief. So after a few months, when he was walking towards the same road, so what he did, he peeped into that wall. उसने उसमें झांक कर देखा उसकी वॉल से. तो उसने क्या देखा, जो वेल थी, जो कुआं था, उसका पूरा जो ऊपर का पार्ट था उसने सीमेंटेड कर दिया था. तो उसने एक चैन की सांस ली कि इंजन फाइनली कुएं के अंदर चला गया. सो दिस इज़ द ऑल स्टोरी दैट इज़ रिटन बाय R.K. Narayan. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I have sent the question answers in the assignment as well as these exercises also. So I want you all to do the question answers in your notebooks and the exercises in the books. Now see you all. Goodbye. Have a nice day.